Another look at Veracity. All right, looks like this thing could possibly be getting ready to move again here. We're going to take a look at this thing here in a second. Let's get this off here. This actually, the support line ended up breaking through it here, but looks like we're about ready to bust back up through. Looks like this could have possibly been a small, um, just a ABC correction in here. Right there. Okay, and now we're getting ready to make our next move up here. Let's get that off there. I want to show you what's going on here today because for the day, look at these numbers. Getting some really nice jumps out there. Caspa, I cover that a lot. That thing is a beast. Just ripping again. But look at some of these out here. I don't even know what WeMix is. Plus 29%. And I've been in crypto, geez, going on 5 years now, so I'm not even sure what WeMix is. I'll have to look into that though. It's in the top 100. So let's see where Veracity's at. Here we go. You gotta love that. I love the small market cap coins. And Veracity's been around for a while. It was here last bull run. $61 million market cap. 9.6 million in volume over the last 24 hours. Down 6 spots to number 342. These are where the big money's made. The small market caps. The bigger market caps, 10 billion, $20 billion coins, they take a pile of money to move. These smaller market caps, they move really fast with a lot smaller money. You got 9.6 million in volume. That's, what is that? I don't know, 15% of the market cap of this or something. I'm not sure, but with the numbers, but 9.6 million, that's a large part, into this market cap. So nice volume in there. Let's go over here and look at the chart here. All right, here we go. We talked about this before. Well, a lot of this looks like a typical, looks like a W pattern to me right here, which is bullish. Number one, okay. You always expect it at least to come back up to the beginning of the W. All right, but this thing looks like it's going a lot higher. That 0.007, that's the major resistance up here. If we put a fib on this thing, let's see where we're at. Here we go. All right, beautiful. Made it up to that 786. All right, we're right around the 618 fib right now. Obviously, we need to bust back through that 786, and this thing should be heading for higher prices. If we look at some RSIs here, with the 12-hour is totally reset, and at the bottom, it's bullish. It's at a 6.6 and a 3.9. So this thing should be starting to getting ready to push up higher here pretty soon. We got the 8-hour also at the bottom, reset and bullish. Okay, you got your daily. The daily's resetting a little bit, but it looks like it's trying to push back up now. All right, nothing uncommon for this thing to turn around and head back up. You can see down here on the regular RSI, see this thing curving back up. So looking like price action wants to push back up, and we have a green daily candle. We have the weekly still bullish, an 89 and an 84, and look at this monthly. 88 and a 69. That's not the point I'm pointing at. Look at this bottom. Look how low this thing is. It's at a 46 down here. Lots of room to come up. Okay, so this could potentially end up being a pretty decent move out of this thing. All right, if we get through that 0.0071, this area right here, then this thing could be going a lot higher. All right, that's the major resistance area right now, and you can see what can happen after that. I mean, even over here, once it got through there, that was during the bull run, but still, once it makes it through that area, your next resistance, once it gets through there, would be right here at 0.011. Okay, so if we get through that 0.007, this thing could end up having a jump of, could have a jump. That's 64% up to the next major resistance area. So we could end up having a pretty nice blast here. Have some nice volume in there last week at, or or last month, 46 billion last month. Look at that green candle. This month just started, and we're at 3.15 billion. We have a red candle started there, though. It's a weekly. Let's take a look at that real quick. Nice. On the week, 5.3 billion in volume here. And you can see here, like I said, if this thing can get through that 0.007, this can end up being a really nice run. You got a little bit of resistance there, and a tiny bit right there. But other than that, this thing could end up making a really nice run up to a penny here. So keep your eye on Veracity. Looks like it's getting ready to move again. Thanks a lot, guys. Have a great day. Please hit the like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you very soon.